kiddos, and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie. And today we are going to make a pandu. Today I'm using my pencil because there are certain parts which will be rubbing later on. So I'm using a pencil because if I do it directly with a sketch pen, everything will get gadbad. So what I'm doing is I'm making a big branch. See, I'm making a very big branch which goes here and it divides here and it divides here. I hope it's clear to you. If you cannot see, I cannot help because I cannot make it darker than this. Okay, I cannot really make darker than this. So this is a branch which I have made. Now what am I going to do is quickly make a face of a panda. See, now I'm using this moments because I want the panda's ears to be a bit softer. Okay, so this will be the face, with the nosy part here and a small little shine, and his smile, tortoise smile. After that, the two black parts which the panda has. Now after that, we are going to make a undo, then another undo, then another undo, then again undo, and again a undo. Okay, after that we are going to make the eyebrows of this panda. Now this panda is looking here because he's searching for little bits of bamboos. Pandas love to eat bamboos, so he's climbing on the tree to have a look कि किधर से मेरे को bamboo दिख जा, bamboo. अभी I will be making the hand because see, he is climbing a tree, so his hands will come. See, this is the tree here, so his hands are coming from here, and you can make the nails also if you wish. If you don't wish, it is not compulsory to make the nails. So his hands are coming from behind, so we will be rubbing this tree part from here. That is the reason why I have not taken my marker directly. Now from here his hand will come here because he is climbing a tree. Now it is from behind, so we will be rubbing all these parts which is in between, and we can make his nakhun. See, my nakhun are not that big, but his nakhuns are big. Okay, now he is on the tree and half the portion of his body is hanging below. So this will be the portion. We'll make a ulta U. This will be the portion, and this will be the down part of the panda. There are many cute panda drawings. Now we'll be putting this leg here because it is somewhere behind this. Okay, so and we can make the nails. That's what I'm saying. There are many cute panda drawings. You can opt for any. So this is the panda. I think so this part is looking a bit so we'll just make the tree trunk like that. So let the tree trunk go here, let this go here, and we have made our panda climbing the tree. Now since it is a tree, you have to make few leaves. So what we will do is make few leaves. Now this is easy. You just have to make few leaves. Of course, we are going to do this is one set of leaves. This will be another set of leaves. Children, if you wish, you can do the colorful background, and if you do not wish to do the colorful background, you can opt for plain blues, ghasar patti. It all depends upon you. So this is one more set of tree, and we'll remove a little bit here. Okay, so now whatever is coming in between shall be rubbed. So we'll quickly do the marker part of it, and then we'll rub our pencil marks and we'll start with the coloring. So I've got my marker, and we'll quickly do the marking part, the marker part. So now you will be able to see the drawing very clearly, Now this is the tree on which our panda is trying to climb. Naughty panda. He's trying to climb. Now this will be the face part. Okay, I'm purposely doing these jing art so that you all can, it has to be a fluffy panda, correct? It cannot just be a plain panda. Now we will do this face part. It's a revision for you. Then we'll do the naughty nosy. Then we leave one Naragundu inside and color the nosy black. This is the shiny part. Then we have the lip parts. Then we have this part. Then we have Vanandu, Vananaраgundu, Vanandu, Vananaраgundu. This is only for pandas, you know, so many circles. Vanandu, Vananaраgundu, Vanandu, and Vananaраgundu. Now our Naragundu is going to remain white. This will be white, this will be black, this will be white, this will be black. So I'll show you the entire coloring. Now the legs, the nakhun part, the nails part. Tanu auntie knows English. This is the lifdu. Now children, if you opt for painting, you have to take a marker. You cannot do it with your sketch pen. But if you are opting for your oil pastels, you all can use your sketch pens. Because if you all use that water-based sketch pens, then your black color will spread. So in case you are opting for painting, so you need to do your markers. Jadia marker, not patala marker. You have to use Jadia marker. See how patiently I do. I don't get frustrated while drawing. Never ever. You know what is the time now? If I show you the watch, you always say, so late! That is why I'm not showing you all the watch. Actually today I did not do anything creative and that was disturbing me. So suddenly I thought, let's do a painting of a cute little panda. I think so I've done. Yes. Nahi. Nahi. Ho. Zala. Bus. So the drawing part of my panda is done. So let us start with the black part. I mean to say the eye part. So this Naragundu is going to remain white. Then we'll color this portion black. And the third portion will be this color. This is the rose gray color. Okay, rose gray color. And then this portion is going to remain white. So we color this portion black. This portion shall be rose gray. And then this portion is going to be white. You know children, I forgot I had made the eyebrows and then I forgot to do it. So let the eyebrows be there. He looks cute with the eyebrows. Tang tang. कोई मेरे को देख रहा है? Tang tang. नहीं देख रहा. क्यों नहीं देख रहा? देखो भाई देखो. मैं तो इतना cute panda हूँ. Now you know there is a lot of black. This is 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 black. So what am I going to do is going to do the black parts later on. First we'll complete our leaves and our branches. I mean to say, yeah, the branch on which our panda is trying to climb. So I take my haldi wala yellow, that is the deep yellow, and I color my leaves yellow first. Quickly doing it because I have already wasted. I have done pencil work today first. So it has taken a lot of time. It was time consuming, but I couldn't help. I was not very confident because there are places where you have to leave, and if I do it directly with the क्या बोलते हैं marker, and if I make mistakes I'll have to change so many papers. So असं नाही केलं मी. Now I'm going to take olive green and color these leaves olive green, and then we are going to do the scraping. Yeah, even these small branches are going to be olive green now. You can take sap green if you don't have olive green. Sap green will look better. Oh, every drawing. That is a shubh ghadi for me, and every drawing I break a color. I don't know how I break a color, but I do. Ding 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 ding. Ali, din chicka ali. So it will be a good fast coloring. Okay, after we do this, I take my joker. I'm not taking my nails. I'm taking my joker to just put one line in between. That is just for show, in case because I've used the yellow color down. नहीं तो बोलेंगे तनु आंटी येलो काहे केलं, स्क्रैपिंग नाही केली तर. Okay, so now for this, what we are going to do is we are going to use this yellow gray color. See, it's written, and on top of that we are going to do gande wala brown. So first let us do this color. Quietly you do this color. I'll have to remove a little chilka of it, but I'll manage. After doing this, you're going to do gande wala brown on it. First you do your border so that you don't go out. Children, please do make this painting and then you upload it on Canvas and Scissors for the August month competition. You all can even give us your paintings if you all wish to exhibit. We have already had 2 exhibitions. One exhibition is on now. I've already posted it on YouTube. One day I had posted with 21 paintings, then we had few children who had given more, so we have published it again with 30 paintings. So in total now we are having around 30 paintings which are on display. Very cute paintings made by children. Now see, I'm using my gande wala brown. Gande wala brown is the dark brown color. That is the way I call it. So I'm doing my gande wala brown. दोन दफा कलर करायचं आणि मग स्क्रॅपिंग करायचं. It is a number of likes which you get on your on our page. I mean to say the Facebook page, Canvas and Scissors, which decides the winners. So you all should take part. Even if you all don't win, it's okay. But then when you all do the same drawing and you compare your drawing with other kids, you know where is your standing. And that encourages you, always a competitive spirit encourages you to draw better and better. बहुत सीरियस बात हो गई, थोड़ा हंस ले. I have to dust my books, but I'll do it very प्यार मोहब्बत से, because last time I did this way and all my colors went पचक करके बाहर. Now, I'm not very good at using scrapers, but this time I'm going to use my scraper and show it to you how this entire thing is going to happen. So, see, if you're having a joker and if you're having a camel or whatever it is, see this comb part. There are two comb parts. Acha, this joker has only one comb part. Okay. If you have a camel, there are big kangi types, and here there is small kangi type. So we are using the small kangi type, and first what we do is we make this, and then we are going straight. Every time please clean it. So this is the way the tree trunk is, with a little bit of box here and there. Now I have purposely left this here. You just have to go, you have to clean it every time, because if you don't clean it, it will look bad. So you're going to chakating chakatadan tadan. Oh, I should not sing that song. You can do it anyhow, no problem, because the trees don't tell how they are going to really come up. But this looks fantastic. After you have done this, what you're going to take is your black color. That's my black color. Yes, let me dust my book a bit. So I have dusted my book. Now I'm taking my black color और उसको सुला देने का. ये उठा हुआ है, ये सोया हुआ है. So हम इसको सुला करना, सिर्फ ऐसा हल्का सा black color, just to give a little more value to your scraping. And where, see, this is the khadda, so we'll make it a little black. There's a khadda here, there's a khadda here, so we'll make it a little more black. And this is a khadda here, just to give that look of a tree. So it's already done, no problems. Yes, you can use your, I use my nails usually to do it, so I find these scrapers a little, but it's all okay. I'll do one thing, I will color a little bit of Gande wala brown back here, because I'm not liking this part. Oh, so my tree trunk is done. Now what we do is we jump on our, क्या बोलते हैं यार इसको, panda. Okay, so what we do is I'm taking my gray color, the dark gray color, and little bit here I'm putting my gray, a little gray tinge. Okay, a little gray tinge. Now what I do is I take my white and I do cully on the entire face. Acha children, remember one thing, that we are going to reborder the entire thing. So don't mind even if your white color is coming on black like that, because we are going to reborder. So that will make no issues at all. So this is the part which is white. This is the only part which is white in this panda, because there is a part which is white here on his body, but it has gone behind the tree. Now I'm using my rose pink and my pink. My rose pink का इधर चंदा मामा बनेगा, and then I'll do rose pink in the chanda mama. Okay, after I do this, I'll take my pink and I'll do a little bit of gully, and I'll do my pink here. So rose pink and pink for the shading part of the paw. Now this is black, this is black, this is black, this is black, this is black. So we can do two things. First we can color the background and then go for black, or we can color the and then go for the background. So I opt to do my blacks first. So quickly I'll do my blacks, but when you're doing your background, be sure you don't pull your black color out, otherwise children can do the background first. शी, सोने का टाइम हो गया ना, इसलिए मस्ती नहीं आ रही. Okay, now this part is going to be black, and we'll put a little white shade here so that you know the eyes don't hide, otherwise it will look like a complete hidden part. See this part of the eye, again we'll leave it white, a little part, so I'm coloring a bit of it. This is black. You know, when you do your black colors you have to be very careful because black के ऊपर कोई color नहीं चढ़ता है बचवा. And then this is the hands of my pandu. Use circular movements so that there are no white spots left. A cute little panda trying to climb a tree. It is like doing commentary. Bapre. So his hands are done. Why are you so sad, Pandu? You seem to look sad. Why are you sad? I'll take you to Pandra. Why are you so sad? So a little bit of grey here. Now this is again blacky, 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 black, blacky, 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 black, blah 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 blah, blah 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 blah. Blacky, 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 black. Children, remember, if you are doing your black colors first, and if you're using the other background color later on, be very careful to clean your hands with soap very nicely before you start the background. Okay, so this much is done. Let me do this parts. First I thought I'll ghasao little color, but now it's already 2 AM and अभी नींद आने लग गई है, इसलिए what I'll do is I'll quickly paint. So I'm doing rebordering my entire panda, and then I shall paint the background blue, or I can even make it colorful. Let's see what comes in my mind. I can do it blue. Blue will look superb. So let's go in for blue instead of any other color. So I'll come back with my paints. So I have taken my watercolors and I'm painting the entire background blue. Blue is the color which will look pretty. So no tension. It will not go. Even if it goes inside, it will come out. So we can do it bindasly. I'm taking blue. I'm just taking blue. We can do a colorful background if you wish. It all depends. You know, an artist can do anything. So I have opted only for blue. And now after this dries, I am going to click a good picture of it and I'm going to post it. because this is a very patalu paper, so I'll have to wait for it to dry very nicely. I usually don't do any paintings on this paper. I use a Mota Jadia book with 140 GSM to do my paintings. But I don't know what came in my mind and I said, let's color it, let's paint it. So children, this is done. A little serious work today. कशाला सिरियस झालंय म्हणजे घड्यात वाजले सर नाही घड्यात वाजले 11 नाही 7:02 आईचे आले फोन घड्यात वाजून गेलं मी नाही अभ्यास केला अभ्यास करायचं नाही कारण चांगलं नाही वाटते. It's not like that, okay? The sound is very nice. घड्यात वाजून गेलं मी नाही अभ्यास केला घड्यात वाजले 4 आईने दिली 6 घड्यात वाजून गेलं मी नाही अभ्यास केला. So our cute little pandu is ready, and after it dries and after these jinchak, you can see, there are waves like in the Juhu beach. So after this dries, this is all going to settle down, and after it settles down, I'm going to click a photo of it. Now listen, if your color comes inside like that, you can just wipe it off because they are oil based colors, they will not enter. The watercolors are not going to enter to your oil based color, so you need not worry about it. So bye till then and good night. Even I'm sleepy and I'm going to go off to bed with big karatas.